Thutha wa abunge na kaunti ya Nyeri kuhithukira ofisi ya Ngavana Nderitu Gachagua meeriga kuhagurwo maruru ma maseneta merekeirio kuri ateti acio. Abunge cio mararũnganĩte nginyagia ofisi ya Gachagua makimutetia kumana na mũrũgamĩrĩre mũru wa kaunti iyo.
This is the only case, Mr. Speaker, sir, where I have seen members of the National Assembly telling the workers there that you are safe, but the governor should not continue to come to this office.
The way they went was more of a harassment and also very unprocedural, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, I beg that we forgive them. It is what in psychology they call a projection error, where you are sitting in a position where you imagine that in similar circumstances, you'd either be trying to influence or you'd be influenced yourself.
Ngavana Gachagua kauga abunge acio ni maraire failo cia bata iria angigetetera kumana na kwagurwo gwake. Maseneta meguciragira mwerekera wa komra kamiti ya mwanya gucirira kwagurwo kwa Ngavana Gachagua ni bunge ya kaunti ya Nyeri wa gatano kiumia kihituku.
Mr. Speaker, this Senate is not a rubber stamp and they should be told the impeachment will be upheld if there is evidence and will be rejected if there is none.
The court coalition, we must be disturbed that so far none of our county assemblies has ever attempted to impeach our governors. In our coalition, the governors are managing our MCS.
No maseneta aingĩ nĩ mareganite na itanya rĩa kuumbwo gwa kamiti iyo ĩrĩa kwendekithĩtio gũkorwo na thikũ 10 nĩgetha kũruta mwerekera wa kwagũrwo kwa Ngavana Gachagua. Aingĩ a maseneta marenda kuhagurwo gwa Ngavana ucio kwariria giikaro kia bunge ya Senate yothe handũ wa kamiti ya mwanya.
Is a good opportunity for us to test that system, even as I'm looking forward to the bill itself to come for debate.
We need to try to see, so for those who are saying it will be chaotic, it will be difficult, there is already a precedent.
Speaker wa bunge ya Senate ekwethurwo ndu atanyitwo kuruta mwerekera ucio wa kana rucine.
Order members.
Hĩndĩ ya gũcirirwo gwa kuumbwo gwa kamiti iyo na rũhonge rwa magoti nĩ rũkĩrirwo na njĩra nene kumana na kĩrĩa maseneta maugĩte nĩ kũingĩrĩra mĩhang'o ya bunge iyo.
Mr. Speaker, we must find a way of making Senate having the final say on impeachments, especially for leadership of the counties.
Unfortunately, Mr. Speaker, I still believe our judiciary has been compromised. And I don't say they have been paid or they have been given anything, but Mr. Speaker, there is an element of compromise.
No institution can compel Parliament, for example, to pass a legislation in the way that institution, including the judiciary, thinks it should be passed.
Na kwa mwena wa Nyeri, minister atandatu wa thirikari ya kaunti iyo na numeranire kweheria wira kugikinyana ati Ngavana Gachagua ni kwagũrwo ni bunge ya Senate.
Tukiumethika-ini no ni tondu kiundu giki gitirira muzingi na tuonetio magiariza ine tene tio mothe ko turakenu muna tukauga kinya chief officers kinya sub county administrator kinya ward administrators yothe obati kuinuka.
Na kwa mwena wa Othaya mwaikari ya gĩcigo kĩu nĩ marũrũnganĩte kũmenereria ikinya rĩa mũbunge wa Ũmĩrĩ wa Mbũi kũnyitana na ajumbe a kaunti ya Nyeri.
Whatever you are doing is illegal, eh?
Grifu Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Macharia wa Gachuru.